Hi, I'm Walter Gerlach, president of the Photo Tex Group. Photo Tex is 100% polyester fabric. It is a self-adhesive, and we've been selling it for 23 years. What people have asked me often is, can you use Photo Tex, our opaque blockout version, and lay it over top of vinyl temporarily or over Photo Tex itself? So what we did here is we have a temporary Photo Tex wall mural. We use it for wall murals, wall decor, wallpapering. And then I'm going to remove this, and you're going to see what behind this was another Photo Tex install we had. So quickly, I just want to show you that you can install the Photo Tex over vinyl or Photo Tex itself temporarily. So you'll see that we put up an image temporarily over the holidays. And then upon removing this, you will simply see we safely removed it, leaving no residue, and then we're back to our original Photo Tex wall mural that we had up prior to us putting the temporary mural up.